if you have an e-bike, watch this clip. I'll be your guide on YouTube to e-biking. I'm an e-bike rider myself. I've been riding motocross, supermoto bikes, mountain bikes, and recently, 3 years ago, I switched to e-mountain bikes. And I've been running my own business on Two Wheels Empire, where I share my passion for e-biking. It's a brand new industry which combines mountain bikes and motocross. And I'm the guy who knows both. So, this channel will be about e-bike accessories, e-bike parts, rides, tips and tricks, and whatever you guys comment what you'd like to see on the channel. I've been a custom bike builder for over a few years now, but as a hobby I enjoyed e-biking so much that my whole business started revolving around e-bikes. And now I run a Two Wheels Empire store where every day I'm around e-bikers, e-mountain bikes, electric bikes, accessories, concept bikes. And I want to share with you because one of the passions for myself is video creating and sharing stories. And this is the content that I want to produce. I love doing what I'm doing right now here. Right now it's 2021. I ride a Specialized Turbo Kenevo. This is an e-bike with 250 watts, but I work with charged prototype e-bikes where we market them across Europe. And this is a brand that I'm passionate about too, because they're more like a motocross bike than a regular e-mtb bike. As well as I build custom bikes, and I'm quite anxious to start building electric custom bikes as well. Our company is in the UK, London, where I used to live, but right now I'm in Lithuania, Kaunas, and Kaunas, by the way, is the European Capital of Culture 2022. So I personally invite you to come visit Kaunas. It's a great place to stay, to visit, and we have great off-road tracks for e-mountain bikes as well. Slowly I'm switching from all the gasoline bikes to electric bikes. They're the future. I'm excited about it. This is like a brand new thing for everybody. So we're trying to figure out what's the best, how to set up your bikes, what kind of gear you need, what parts, what accessories. And I'm excited about it too. If you resonate with this kind of content, hit subscribe below and click like. Also, please comment in the comments what kind of videos would you like to see in the near future. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. And let's go riding!